In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the tax rate in Xero. Whether you need to adjust for new tax legislation or simply need to configure your settings to suit your business needs, knowing how to manage tax rates in Xero is crucial. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, begin by logging into Xero. Head over to the Xero login page where you'll input your credentials to access the dashboard. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions to make changes before proceeding further. Once you're on the dashboard, we're going to navigate through the settings. From the top menu, you'll see an option labeled Accounting. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Advanced. This section is where you can find intricate settings, including our focus today, tax rates. Click Tax Rates within Advanced Settings to view a list of all existing tax rates you have set up in Xero. At this point, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the list. You'll be able to see all the current tax rates set up under your account. Now, if you need to address a specific tax rate, locate it in this list. Remember, if you're looking at a default system tax rate, like the standard GST or VAT, changes are not possible directly. In such cases, you'll need to create a custom tax rate. We'll dive into that shortly. So suppose you found a tax rate you're able to edit. You can simply click on the tax rate name. This is where you'll have the flexibility to update the rate percentage or the name of the tax rate. After making the necessary changes, ensure you hit Save to finalize your updates. But what if you find the tax rate you're looking to change is a system default and locked? In that event, you'll need to create a new custom tax rate. To do this, click on Add Tax Rate. Here, you'll need to input the details, like the name of the new tax rate, perhaps something descriptive like VAT 15% or GST reduced. Don't forget to enter the appropriate rate percentage, and if your business requires it, include any components for multiple applicable taxes. Once completed, remember to save. Finally, with these changes in place, it's time to apply them. Whenever you're creating invoices, bills, or tracking expenses, you'll notice the new or updated tax rate available in the tax rate dropdown. Select the appropriate rate for the transaction, and rest assured that Xero will handle the calculations based on this updated rate. And there you have it, a comprehensive yet straightforward guide to changing and managing tax rates within Xero. I hope this tutorial helps you tailor your tax settings to your business requirements. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.